Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 apps that can help you create a website on mobile. So the first one is Layer or Lear. So okay, skip next. Lear. Okay, just fill in this like your site have a place for users to buy products or book. Neither. Do you want an about us section on your page? Yes. Do you want a featured section on your page to highlight a few bullet points about what you do? Yeah. It's gonna press yes and yes. Yep. No, build my site. Finish and building your website. Okay. Actually, I have quite enough info for the company. Skip. Next. It's very simple. Just pick say yes to like everything they're asking you to do. Yes, ask me more. If you had to pick, would you prefer more professional or friendly design? Okay, I choose more professional. I know. Yes. How many features do you want to highlight in? Okay, next. Yes. Next. Yep. Next. Okay. Building your website. So just give it time and they'll actually build your website. So the next 30 minutes it'll the website will actually be finished. So the second app we're gonna be using is websites. Know that these apps you can actually see them in the Play Store. Okay, create your free website, add account, okay, check my inbox just once. I'm just gonna verify the email, right? Okay, open Gmail app right now. Yep. Verify, complete registration. Enter your business details right here. Okay, business name, mobile number, your password. Actually, they need it. Pin code. I don't actually have a pin code, so continue this. Okay, pin code. I don't know, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now that we've actually verified the email and we're filling all those details, actually gonna choose your categories for your website. Advertising agency, or there's so many you can pick. So um animals, poultry, feed, and that. Okay, business category for that. Creating your account, this may take few seconds and we just have to wait a bit. Your website is now live. Next, customize your website. Got it. Okay. So simply just gonna enter this and go to gallery, I guess. These are pictures I think they attached to my website for me. It's really easy to use, just you don't even have to do anything. They do everything for you, and now you can actually go to Google to search the website. It's gonna show for you. These are free websites. So yeah, this app gives you free website. Just fill in the first digits. Go to my account, home. You can see dashboards and markets right there. It's a business website. Let's enter dashboard. Okay, these are sales and all that. So yeah, as you can see, this app is legit. So I should actually show you the last one. It's Earth Sites. All these apps are for Androids actually. Continue with email. So they just show me this and that. Not now. Okay, just gonna click create website. Pick a template for your website, actually your own website. Okay, I think I'm gonna pick this one. I like it. Okay, timetable, use site name, what we're gonna do, I like make 6 anyway. Next, tickets, change text and links. Okay, you can apply those there actually. And visit website. Should visit the website right now. Mixixearthsite.co. This is actually the site I created just now. You can see I've logged into the Opera Mini browser. It's like in Google right now, but the site is actually the first name I choose. Then the app is gonna add its own original website to like sponsor this my website. So it's not actually, I didn't do anything, it just did it for me. So yeah, it's actually published on the net. Some help you to like create website and design, but then you can't publish it. So this is a really good app. So tell me the one that works for you in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.